Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Got a call from someone and they can't even hear you? Or another person claims a very low volume? The problem might be with your microphone. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your iPhone microphone not working. Let's go. When an iPhone microphone isn't working, it can disrupt phone calls, voice memo recordings, and even Siri's ability to understand commands. First, inspect the microphone holes for any debris or dust blocking them. You can find them at the bottom, front, and rear. However, if the microphone is completely non-functional, this is likely not the cause. An easy way to do this is to use a dry, clean brush to remove any dirt buildup. Alternatively, you can also use a toothpick to remove any particles from the port. The issue might also be with a specific app rather than the iPhone itself. Test the microphone in a different app like Voice Memos by recording audio and play it. Or simply record a short video using the camera app to see if the issue persists across multiple applications. This way, you can distinguish whether the issue lies with the microphone, iOS, or if it pertains to the app itself. After inspecting your microphone, try to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix hardware issues, including those with the microphone. Keep in mind though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Apps also require microphone access to work correctly. To do this on Settings, find Privacy and Security. Then tap on Microphone. Ensure that the apps you're trying to use have microphone access enabled. If Bluetooth is enabled, your phone might be connected to an external device that's using the microphone. To disable it, on your settings, go to Bluetooth and turn it off, or disconnect any connected devices to see if that resolves the issue. If none of the above solutions work, there may be a hardware problem with your iPhone's microphone. Contact Apple support through this tagged link above or in the description below for further assistance, or visit an Apple store to arrange a repair. However, repairing the microphone is quite expensive with Apple, so also compare prices on other repair stores. Stores with good reviews can also be a good alternative. Repairs can range from $49 to $149 or more, depending on your iPhone model. So consider exploring local repair stores where the same repair might be done at a more budget-friendly price. If you don't want to spend money on a new microphone, consider using any Bluetooth headset in the meantime, like AirPods or so. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.